So I decided to try the TikTok trend of tie-dye and ruching. I don't know. What a feel. No changes in the color. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's wearable.
That's good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pelumi here. If it's your first time tuning in, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share the video, do all that good stuff because you love me and I love you too. Okay, I'm really happy today. I don't know, yeah, I'm just happy about what you're about to watch today. I tried to remake like the popular TikTok and Instagram trend with t-shirts, the tie-dye and the ruching trend. It's a trend because I see it everywhere, okay, and I want to just be cool too. I can try to be cool too. So if you want to see how I managed to tie-dye this t-shirt and another one as well, keep on watching. If you want to see how I made the lettuce hem, keep on watching and enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Okay, so before I dye the shirt, I'm going to trim it off to the length that I want, as well as cut off the hem of the sleeve so that I can make the lettuce sleeves later, or the lettuce hem later. So I'm gonna cut off the original seam on the sleeve. I don't want it to be too short, so just gonna cut it from here. Awesome. So this is gonna be my top for tie-dyeing. So I'm just going by what I've seen online, and the first thing to do is to wet your t-shirt. Just wet it and you squeeze it out. So the next thing is to figure out what pattern you want. So lay the shirt down very flat. I think I like the spiral pattern thing, so I'm going to start twisting from the bottom here, and you have to twist tightly too. So just twist, and I have 3 rubber bands here. These are the only rubber bands I could find. So I'm going to secure it together. Oopsie, I wore my gloves too early. So the gloves are just to protect your hands from the dye you're gonna pour later. I'm gonna pour bleach. Let me just hold it really. I don't see any changes in the color. What's happening? No changes in the color. What's happening? Okay, I see some discoloration when I squeeze, but then let's just let this sit for like 5 minutes and then we'll rinse it out. Okay, it's more than 5 minutes and the discoloration is really slow, so I'm just gonna take it out. You know what? Ain't nobody got time for that. And the next thing to do is to rinse off the bleach. I don't think this thing bleached at all. What a fail. So you have to rinse it till no more bleach is left. This didn't bleach. It did not bleach. It bleached in some areas, but it's like it's not even I'm gonna have to try this again. This is a fail. A fail! I just destroyed my t-shirt. Should have left it for longer maybe, but I was impatient. You know, maybe you don't want fast. I think this is the tie-dye fail because maybe the bleach I used isn't strong enough, or there's a particular bleach people use. I really don't know. It's like more concentrated here, and then here is dark. So you know what? I'm gonna try this again. This is a fail. Like, you know, we're gonna try this again. You know, I'm not giving up. Hi guys, so I didn't show my face yesterday when I was dyeing my t-shirts because this is how I looked and this is how I'm looking again today, and I just don't care right now. I don't want to give up on my tie-dye t-shirts, so I want to try another trend. I want to try the, what's it called, the Ruched cinched t-shirt trends I've been seeing like everywhere. It's recommended on my YouTube. I'm seeing it on Instagram, like the gadget sort of effect on the t-shirt. So that's what I want to try today. So this one is cropped already, so I don't know. Another trend I'm seeing is the lettuce hem. So I'm going to do the lettuce hem on this one and on the sleeve, on the bottom and on the sleeve. And then for this one, I'm going to do the ruching on both sides. I don't want to cut this shirt though. I like how loose it is. So maybe I'm just gonna do the ruching on this side and this side. You know what? Let's just see. I hope this one turns out great. Okay, so I've marked the point where I want the ruching to start from, and I sort of marked the midpoint here. And the piece I cut out from this one, I'm gonna use it to make the drawstring channel and the drawstring. Okay. So I'm gonna draw a line, and how long is this one? It's like 10 inches long. So what am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna measure 10 inches here, make the drawstring channel like 2 inches wide. So let's cut out 2 inches. This will be for the first one, and then this will be for the second one. This is going to be interesting. I hope this like makes the tie-dye thing look better. So I'm kind of combining the two TikTok trend of the tie-dye and the cinched ruched t-shirts. The things we do. So what I'm gonna do is place the piece for the drawstring in here, just to the hem. I don't know, I didn't find the midpoint or anything, but I'm just guesstimating. So I'm gonna sew down the middle and then sew on this side and on this side, so there'll be like a channel in between. I'm not going to close the top, I'm not going to close the bottom. Okay, I'm done with creating the drawstring channels. Now I want to create the drawstrings themselves. I need 4, so I'm just gonna cut this into 4 roughly, roughly about 1 centimeter each. Not 1 centimeter, 1 inch. So I'm just gonna take this to the sewing machine and oopsie, this one is out. So across the top to hold it in place. Okay, this is it. I don't know, I have to put it on and see how it looks, but this is the trend. Maybe I should have taken it off some more, I don't know. I'll try it on. But let's move on to the lettuce hem, which is pretty simple. The lettuce hem is simple. All you need to do is set your machine to the zigzag stitch, and you want to set it to the tightest what's it called tension and the shortest stitch length. Great. And now we're just going to pull on both sides as we sew with the zigzag stitch. Bad, huh? Right, I think I just like it the way it's hanging like this, you know. It's nice, you know, but I don't know, but you know what, it's just like, you know, I made it, so I gotta love it. We gotta rock it like this, but I don't think it's so bad that I need to trash it. No, this is not too bad. It's wearable. Okay? Yes, I like this one. I really like it. Don't I look trendy? You guys should vote. Which one do you like between this one and the other ruched one? Let me know. And what do you think about the tie-dye? I think I would have loved it if there was more black than the orange, the bleach part, but it is what it is. So do vote in the comment sections. Tell me the one that you like better, or you know, just talk to me in the comment section. I'll be here waiting to talk back to you. Okay, don't forget to like this video, share the video. You know, you and your friends could get tie-dyeing together and trying this really cool t-shirt trends. Okay, what else? Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Okay, I want to try something new. I want to start announcing new subscribers, like just giving them a shout out. Let me know if you like that, just to give shout out to Pelumi for subscribing to my channel kind of thing. I want to try that, so let me know if you would like that as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.